Hello lovely people, Morgana here from Cooking Clean and Everything Between. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss anything from my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make my red chicken, which means frango ensopado in Portuguese. We don't really have a name in English, so that's the name that my husband gave to this recipe, so red chicken. Olá pessoal, obrigada por estar aqui novamente. A receita de hoje é frango ensopado. Vamos para a lista de ingredientes? Lista de ingredientes: peito de frango, uma cebola, 2 copos de água, sal, pimenta do reino, alho, óleo, caldo de galinha ou frango e sazão. With your pan on medium heat, add the oil. Com a sua panela no fogo médio, acrescente o óleo. Add the chicken. Acrescente o frango. Guys, and in Brazil, we usually make this recipe with the whole chicken, so the bones and everything. And I decided to do with chicken breast because it's easier and faster to make, and it's just as delicious. Brown the both sides of the chicken. Frite o frango nos dois lados. Gente, eu estou fazendo o frango ensopado só com peito de frango. Mas como vocês sabem, você pode fazer com a galinha inteira, com os ossos e tudo mais. Eu decidi fazer com peito de frango porque é mais rápido. Now it's time to add the onions. Agora é hora de acrescentar as cebolas. And mix well, misture bem, and just get a nice color on that onion. Add the garlic, adicione o alho, add the chicken bouillon, the salt, and the black pepper, and the sazon package. And add the water and cook for about 20 minutes. Adicione o caldo de frango, o sal, a pimenta do reino, o pacotinho de sazon e a água e cozinhe por 20 minutos. And here it is, my famous red chicken. I serve this usually either with rice or pasta, but you can serve with whatever you like. Meus amores, está aí, peito de frango ensopadinho em uns 30 minutos. Você tem uma refeição deliciosa. Eu servi isso com macarrão, mas você pode servir com arrozinho branco ou com o que você quiser. And here you see the final product. You have my red chicken, some pasta. I also made some homemade potato sticks. I made a little bit of vegetables, so it's peas and asparagus. It was a delicious dinner, and it was prepped and cooked in about a half an hour. You can beat that. Delicious and super fast to make and easy. Once again, guys, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you for watching. I see you on the next one. Meus amores, obrigada por assistir. Te vejo na próxima receita.